It's here, let's unbox it. Here's the user manual, a charging cable, and this is the tracker itself. And now, the star of the show, the ML300G, a 4G magnetic tracker with IP65 waterproof protection. The size is very compact. From the front, it's about the same size as a credit card, and the thickness is only 14 mm. On the front, we have 2 microphone holes and 3 indicator lights. On the side, you'll find the nano SIM card slot, the power switch, and the Type-C charging port. The other 2 sides contain the device information. The entire back is a large magnet with strong magnetic force, and under this small sticker is a built-in sensor. Now let's insert the SIM card and power it on. Take your phone and send SMS commands to configure the APN and the center number for the SIM card inside the device. Download the app, tap IMEI ID. Then tap Scan to scan the barcode on the side of the device. Enter the password shown on the label, and we're in. On the home page, you can see the device is online and you can view its battery level, signal strength, speed, mileage, and more. Below, you'll find pages for history playback, geofence, commands, and additional settings. When we're outdoors, you can see that the tracker's location matches my phone's map location. And when I move, the tracker's position on the main screen updates instantly. In the History Route section, you can see the path I just walked. Next, in the Command section, I set a geofence with a 100-meter radius around my current location and enabled the 100-meter movement alarm. As soon as I stepped out of that boundary, the geofence alert was triggered, and the movement alarm also notified me that the device had moved 100 meters. There are also overspeed alarms, low battery alerts, and more, all designed to help you monitor your vehicle in real time. And one more thing, remember the sensor on the back of the tracker? When the tracker is magnetically attached to a vehicle, if someone tries to remove it, the sensor immediately detects the light exposure and sends an alert to my phone, so I don't have to worry about anyone tampering with the tracker. To sum up, the ML300G is compact, easy to install, feature-rich, and highly responsive. A great anti-theft solution for personal vehicles. Would a tracker like this meet your needs?